Windows 10 has many new and flashy features. However, you might not want all of them all of the time. So with this guide, we will assist you with disabling the SSH server. So what you would do first is to search for services, select the results shown, and in the services window, scroll down the list until you see the SSH Server Broker and the SSH Server Proxy. Now you have to right-click on the SSH Server Broker and then navigate to and click on Stop. Wait for a small window to appear asking you to select yes or no, then you have to select yes. And now you're finished. Both SSH Server Broker and the SSH Server Proxy should be disabled. Now, your PC is no longer hosting a SSH server. And that's how to disable SSH Server in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.